Watches under $500 should have a baseline function of telling time. After that, the bells and whistles are just bonuses, or, technically speaking, complications. When considering the plethora of choices you can find in a watch, be it mechanical or quartz, analog or digital, field or diver, things get a little bogged down in spec reading over features. Affordable watches are no less useful than expensive ones because, well, even the best watches under $500 perform the same task as a pricey one. You don't need to shell out thousands of dollars to add an accessory to your wrist for styling purposes or simple timekeeping. These are the best watches under $500 for casual fans and collectors alike. Number 1. Garmin Instinct 2S Solar. Garmin's Instinct 2S Solar is a watch built for adventure and outdoor pursuits. It is a rugged watch with a rather old-school design, including a monochrome memory and pixel display. But, the guts, and surface, of the watch are far from old school. It is topped off with Garmin's Power Glass, which enables solar charging, lengthening the already impressive battery life when it gets enough sun. In smartwatch mode, it can get up to 51 days if you are in the bright sun for 3 hours per day. The Instinct 2S connects to 3 global navigation satellite systems, GNSS, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, for excellent accuracy. You can even use it to navigate if you need some help getting back from a hike. The watch comes with an extensive list of trackable activities and provides lots of health and fitness metrics, making it an ideal training companion. The 2S is the smallest version of the Instinct 2, offering a 40mm case size that's ideal for smaller wrists. Should you want something larger, the Instinct 2 Solar provides a bigger 45mm case size. And if you want to save $100 from either size, you can skip the solar charging. Number 2. Withings Scan Watch. Hybrid smartwatches offer a unique set of features. They look like classic analog watches with physical watch hands but also provide smartwatch capabilities. The Withings Scan Watch is one of our favorite hybrid options, in part because of its large feature set. It provides an extensive list of health monitoring, including heart rate details, sleep tracking, and oxygen saturation level measurements. It also features an altimeter and dedicated workout metrics such as VO2 max. The Withings Scan Watch is sleek and modern looking, so despite all its fitness tracking capabilities, it will blend in seamlessly with your daily attire. It is waterproof to 164 feet, so you can even get your swim workouts in with this waterproof watch. And it promises a battery life of up to 30 days. It offers full smartwatch functionality, providing your phone's notifications right on your wrist. You will need to keep your phone on you to take advantage of GPS tracking while working out, but for the price, this watch still has a lot to offer. Number 3. Citizen Chandler Eco Drive. With its rugged appeal, the Citizen Chandler chronograph is a simple watch with a large display that makes it distraction-free, and a bright lux for easy reading at night. It's equipped with 2 push buttons that start and stop its chronograph feature, while its subdials at 10 and 6 o'clock keep track of its passing seconds and minutes. Its 2 o'clock sundial presents the military time. This watch's nylon strap is built tough to prevent ripping, though its grommets are somewhat large, which hinders adjusting its buckle. Because it's solar-powered, the Citizen Chandler chronograph never needs a battery change, and its power reserve keeps it ticking for 150 days without light exposure. Its water resistance, while not as high as other picks on this list, provides ample protection in the rain and in moist conditions, which also makes it suitable for hikes and unpredictable weekends. Available in green and blue, this timepiece lends an outdoorsy look to any ensemble. Number 4. Timex Unisex Weekender. The Timex Weekender may be the perfect candidate for an entry-level watch that won't break the bank. Resembling the classic military field watch with its nylon band and large numbered dial, this timepiece has a surprising amount of features that make it a solid value pick. It has a backlight that illuminates the entire dial with a cool blue hue to help you read it in the dark. It's unisex appropriate at 38mm wide, and its bands come in a variety of colors for styling. Furthermore, those bands can also be switched out, as the back of the watch features a slip-through design that lets you slide a new strap in place without the use of tools. Here's a solid timepiece that you can toss on without having to worry about feeling its presence due to its lightweight. It has its cons, though. For one, owners frequently say that the Timex Weekender has a pretty loud tick to it. It's also not suited for much water activity, with its resistance at 30 meters, so you may need to take it off if you get caught in the rain or need to wash dishes. Number 5. Orient Mako 2. Ask any serious watch collector, and they'll agree, Orient's Mako 2 is the quintessential diver. Considered a classic by many, this stylish diving watch presents a reasonably sized timepiece with unique details that make it more attractive. This diver offers up to 200 meters of water resistance, which means you can take it into the shower or a hot tub without worry. Of course, that also means you can take it underwater for a dive. In the dark, it has a powerful lume that glows the hands and numerals of the dial, as well as an accent at the 12 o'clock on the outer bezel. An added day and date function makes this watch suited for daily wear. Although it's automatic, the Orient Mako 2 needs manual winding, with its movement clocking in at around 4 plus to 6 plus a day. It also features second hacking, so you can manually adjust the second hand for precision timekeeping. Its polished and brushed stainless steel band will look sharp and handle any water tossed its way.